Hi, and tonight I'm going to demonstrate some of the more advanced features of ClickyMate using the Taggalicious app on Facebook. Um, Obviously, there's lots of clickers, so it's very easy to get a clicker that kind of just clicks on a button, click, 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 right? And so that's easy. Taggalicious, ClickyMate could do that with these. There's no problem. But I'm going to do something a bit more different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to capture this name field up here, extract out the first name, and send it a custom tag using that name. Now we've got three actions here. One which is actually just the name capture. One that actually all it does is hits the skip button, and I'll come back to why we need that separate later. And one which actually does the tag. So you hit T. You see the shortcut key is T, and then it sends a tag. Let's go to the name capture thing. So when I'm doing like copying and to the clipboard, then just for my own peace of mind, I empty the clipboard before I start. Then we position the mouse up here, click our mouse down like we were dragging, and then we move the mouse over to here. You can see all these events over here. Sleep for a bit. Often, if you're doing automation, you need to sleep because you're sending events like impossibly faster than the human can send them. So you need a sleep now and again just to make sure Windows doesn't get confused. And then we're sending the Control C key, Control C to copy. Another little sleep. And what I've actually found, if you do this copy, you need to kind of click off and deselect, otherwise things start going wrong. Then we extract out our name from this, and we've got our regular expression matcher here. And let me just demonstrate this really quickly. So this, if we put that in there, it's a test error. So if you just whack your string in there, it will actually test your regular expression on the fly and show you what would be output. Okay. And this one is important. So this is doing our scene string. So what I've done here, it checks for to see if the clipboard's been seen before, and if it has seen that string on the clipboard before, it calls the skip action, so it just skips past this person. So I'm going to actually show you some automation in a bit, and what they'll do, that will just keep tagging every 5 seconds, but you don't want to tag the same person twice. So what it does, it skips past them if it's seen that person in the clipboard before. And I've changed all these, so what I'm going to do, I'll just run the calibration quickly. So here I need to record my offsets. So top left of name, and so we're doing a move here. So I set the start position and then the offset, just down to about there, and then I click to undo the selection, skip button, custom tab box, and again. With the tagging, I found that if you just try and send the string and then a return immediately, it doesn't always work. So I found that if you send the tag and then wait for a bit, click back to where you were, and then send the return key, which is over here, then it works a lot better. Now the string we're going to send, once we've clicked into a box, we then send our string. And so this event is over here, and I've chosen the random one. This one's kind of interesting. What this does is uses your strings as set up in your options, and random basically chooses any random non-blank string that you've set up here. Now interestingly enough, I'm also on the second level using the $match$, which is actually the string you matched in your regular expression matcher. So it will choose any one of those 5, and it will substitute the name in there. So let me just do this because it's a lot more interesting than talking about it. So hit the tag button, Let me just deselect that. So, and it actually shows you what you last matched, and this is our scene string counter, so this will go up every time we tag, and it has no problem with those Greek characters and all this. There we go. And of course this is interesting, but what's more interesting is actually doing it automatically. So I hit my auto run on that, and it's doing it for me completely automatically. So go download ClickyMate, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and download the app. It's free. The auto run is not free, but everything else you've seen is. So have fun.